completed your 10th, there is a where this is the point exactly where your journey starts, right? Means after 10th you are thinking, no, I will be doing 11th, 12th, after that graduation, and then girls will be marrying or boys will be doing something else. And many of you might have knowing what is engineering first of all, like everyone is becoming engineering, but it's not like that. Okay, so engineering also includes many parameters. Many of you might have knowing that engineering is only computer science engineering, like that one boy have told you how to become software engineer, right? So software engineering or something else, or civil engineering. Many of 6th standard students want to become civil engineering. Please raise your hand who want to become. Yeah, that. What is your name? Okay, and what is yours one? Okay, so many of them want to become civil engineering. Miss, here I am not here for doing what we can say popularizing something engineering, but basically I want to tell you that engineering also includes many fields. Like all of you might have using Chat GPT, right, for searching many of the answers, right? You are using. So this is what which is ruled by AI. You know AI, artificial intelligence, right? So are you interested in knowing fields in engineering? What are many other fields in engineering? Yes, okay. So I am telling you, okay. First is basic, that is civil engineering. Okay, these are the mother branches like mechanical engineering, but there is specialization in mechanical engineering, like automobile engineering, right? Where you will be making spare parts, vehicles, bikes, etc. things. Next comes is electrical engineering. So all these things, electrical engineering. Next comes our what we can say. Next is our aeronautical engineering. What is aeronautical engineering? There you can manufacture the aircraft, missiles, rockets. Have you heard about that, right? So we will be manufacturing the aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. All this means aircrafts and spacecrafts. Next comes is now recently we have computer science engineering. It is actually the technical branch which is the old one, but we have a specialization in them. That is IoT. Have you listened? IoT, Internet of Things. Next comes is AI and DS, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. This is a now specialization branch of CSE. Okay. So these are many of the branches which are recently, and these are all those things. Like after pursuing aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering, you will be working in ISRO, DRDO, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Have you heard about that? We are having airport, that is Santa Cruz in Mumbai, right? So all these things, this is all about engineering, what you are having. Okay? So there are many colleges of that engineering, so you can have pursue. But for that thing, what you will be needed is you have to crack the entrance examinations. Now there is no much importance for boards, but entrance has a lot of importance. Like it is the license for your further career option. Now, if you want to choose the technical branches like engineering, etc., you have to first clear CET in PCM and JEE, that is Joint Entrance Examinations. In JEE, you are having two phases. First is mains. It is not that easy to crack. People are taking drop of 1 to 3 years, right, for clearing those things. It is the toughest exam. Next is after clearing mains, you are having JEE Advanced, which is conducted by NTA. Okay, so this is much more tougher than that. Means you are having advanced. Now, if you want to go in medical field, many of you have to become doctor, right? Who want to become doctor? You want to become doctor, right? So you have to give NEET examination. Okay, NEET is I guess 720 marks. Okay, which has 360 marks weightage for bio and 360 for physics and chemistry. Whereas for JEE and CET and PCM, you are having physics, chemistry and maths. These things should be strong. Okay, so these are all the things which exams you have to give to crack further your for your further career options. If you want to become a doctor or you want to become an engineer. And as he said, if you want to give, you want to become a lawyer or advocate, you have to give that exam. Okay, these are the exams, especially for 10th standard. From now only, after clearing your boards, you have to start for all these preparations. If you have chosen what you want to do, and it would be better that you choose now what you want to become, so that it won't be late. Like me, I'm telling my experience that in 12th standard, want to know, means I don't even know where to go, whether in commerce or in science. But as parents said, I went in science. I took admission in UES. Okay, you might many of students for PRP are going for UES, right? Back means that ex students and all. So I took admission there, but after that also I don't know what to do exactly because all things were online due to COVID. Then afterward I joined the classes of NG classes, and there I understood that there is an exam like CET, NEET, JEE, for which students are trying hard to crack those exams. Then I guess after boards, I have started preparation for 2 months, and then I have cleared all those things. And there are many process after that exam. When you give CET exam or JEE exam or NEET exam, there are many processes you have to go through, like verification. Or first of all, you have to select which college you want to go. That you have to select, and then you have to accept seat after if your seat is allotted, and after that the further admission process, because maximum process is online, nothing is offline. Just when you have to accept, then you have to visit that college. That's it. This is especially for 10th standard students and 9th standard students. Okay. And now talking about distraction. Okay. It is the main thing which I guess this generation is facing. How many of you are using social media?
Social media is WhatsApp,
Insta, Reels, Snap, whatever.
Facebook,
You are
WhatsApp.
using? Yeah.
I am using.
What you are using? Insta. You have your own idea on Insta? Who else are having? Oh my God. Who else are having an idea on Insta? Oh my God. Who else are sending snaps? Oh my God. You're also sending snaps. Okay, silence. Okay, nice.
Now you want drinks?
Many of students are just becoming mature.
That way are just quarter. 75% students haven't reached.
Okay. Your friends might have been knowing more than me, better than me, who are using Insta and who are using Snap, right? Yes? Many of you? Okay.
All.
Oh.
I am.
Okay. So next question for you is, should I share my experience to you? Means when I was like you here sitting, how I was like, yes. If you say yes, then only I will say, I will share, or else I will not. Yes? Okay, fine. So, okay, 6th standard I think we were sitting here, and after 10th standard we were here, same arrangement was there for teachers day, and boys there and girls here. As usual, there is a HM, and HM that time was Kavit. Kavit was principal when we were in 10th standard and we are having teachers day. So, yeah, same like this ID mouth. Same students. But we were not using the social media like you people are. We were not having a mobile also with us in 9th, 10th standard. But I would say that it is good and bad. As you all know, I don't have to give bhashan and all of that, right? For goods and bads of mobile and social media, right? So, but I will say it's none of your business. Your business is just to study and enjoy your life, because you won't be having this age again. English समजते का? की मराठीमध्ये बोलू? Okay, fine. I would say in English. But you people are getting what I am trying to say? Okay, fine. So I will be saying is that just don't use social media because it's none of your business. From now on you are trying to become influencer or what? Yes? You are trying to become influencer. Now tell me which reel is in trending, huh? That Badal Barsa visually, right? That you people are knowing, but what teacher is teaching, which point teacher is teaching, you people are not knowing that, right? You people are not knowing that, no? Which point now teacher is teaching? Mother is shouting, don't use mobile. अरे मम्मी तुला काय समजतंय? Right? रील वर किती भारी आहे, हो ना? Yes? नाही? असं नाही करायचं? No? Right. So, but listen. Yes, what you are saying? Nothing. Should I speak? Okay, thank you. So, but I will be saying that don't use social media because it is a wrong addiction. It is a bad, worst addiction you are having, social media. Especially it's for tension. I know this is teenage. Means many people will be saying you, but you are not in the state of understanding that this is the speciality of teenage. People, parents, many parents might have been scolding you, ए मोबाईल नको यूज करू, कशाला यूज करतो, ठेव मोबाईल, अभ्यास कर, right? Parents are saying you, but ultimately what you are doing, पप्पा 2 मिनिटं द्या, आत्ताच अभ्यास केला, right? See how it's laughing. Don't laugh. So that's what I am saying, that don't use mobile because it's none of your business. Your business is to study and to achieve good marks. See, listen. One thing I am telling you, 50 years, 50 mind, okay? See, do study, okay? Do study. Now you will be coming 7 to 12, 15 or 12:30 to school. Teacher will be teaching you very hard, trying to explain you so that something will be entered in your brain. But no, at least 50. Take 50% will be entered in your brain. You will go home. 10 standards and 9 standards are having as usual extra lecture up to 11:15 or up to 1:15 or 1:30, right? After that you will go home. You will freshen up. Some of you might be going to tuitions, right? Tuition is as usual in evening. So middle portion is left with you, right? After 2, take 2, up to 2 you will be reaching home becoming fresh. You are having that much time, just utilize it. Just utilize at least that 1 hour what teachers have taught you. At least you will be reminding, now today Mangesh sir have taught this math, teacher have taught science with this topic, or some other sir have taught this science is something, or Sadhna teacher have taught this chapter of Marathi, else whatever else. So just revise those things, okay? After that, have a nap, entertain yourself, use 1 or 1.5 hour mobile, and then go to tuition. Or those who are not going to tuition, do your self-study. Self-study is the best study. Or go to tuition, after that sir will be teaching you something, or ma'am will be teaching you something. Come home, freshen yourself, entertain yourself, have your dinner, and before going to bed, just revise or to complete whatever you want to do. Or just best part is just overlook what teacher will be teaching you tomorrow, right? What teacher will be teaching you tomorrow, just revise that, and afterward come to school. You will be finding more productive. Means you don't have to take load of exams. Means आमचा अभ्यास कधी सुरू होतो, पेपरच्या 1 दिवस आधी, बरोबर? How much you are doing? How many of you are doing this? Just raise your hand. Just 1 day before exam you are doing study. इंग्लिश पेपर असेल तर आदल्या दिवशी जसे संडेला मंडेला इंग्लिश पेपर असणार आणि मग संडेला आम्ही इंग्लिशचा अभ्यास सुरू करणार. सी मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पोर्शन. जस्ट डोंट डू दॅट थिंग. इट इज बॅड हॅबिट. यू हॅव टू रेग्युलरली स्टडी. ओके, बस हात खाली करा. समज ओके, समजलं? दिस यू गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम ट्राइंग टू से. जस्ट डू स्टडी रेग्युलरली at least 1 hour. So you will be not getting load. Okay. And this is especially for 10th standard students. 9th standard students, I can understand your thing, because 9th standard is much more tougher than 10th standard, I believe. 9th standard is much more tougher than 10th standard. But why is it tough? Because it makes you to study hard. Means if you are studying 70%, then it will let you to study 90%. So that further in 10th standard you will be not getting any of the problems. And if you see maths or science, 9th standard one is tougher than that of the 10th standard one. Okay? You are getting what I am trying to say? Okay, just do that. Yes, 6th standard student, civil engineer, software engineers. Oh, you are getting what I am trying to say? Okay, fine. Next is, that was all about distraction, but yes, just promise yourself that you will not use mobile more than 1 hour. Promise yourself. Promise me. Promise me, you will be not be using mobile more than 1 hour. Yes, promise me. Raise your hands who are promising you will be not using mobile more than 1 hour. Promise. Oh, 10th standard one. Teachers. आजी विद्यार्थी, माझी विद्यार्थी. Just raise your hand. Promise me that you will be not be using mobile. Yes, 9th standard students, what happened? You want to use more mobile for 10 hours? Yes. Students, yes, these are clever students. You are very nice. 6th standard students and 7th standard students are very nice students. Nice. Keep up. Okay? Yes. Down your hands, down your hands. Silence, silence. Should I speak? Yes? Should I speak? Okay. Okay. So next is, this is especially for girls. Girls, listen here. I'm here for you people only. Yes, listen. What I'm trying to say, just listen.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is your age is of teenage. You are having many of hormonal changes, many of attractions, many of addictions. When any person or anyone says you, talks with you good, good sweetly, yes, you are thinking, yeah, किती छान मुलगा आहे किंवा किती छान बोलतायत हे आमच्याशी. You will be feeling very good from inside. But I have also gone through your age. That's why I'm sharing this my experience to you. Because it is common in teenage. It is common. Attraction is common in teenage. But just miss my mother used to tell me these things when I was in your age, with 9th standard or 8th standard. Mother used to tell me one thing, that don't rush behind the pieces of gold if treasure is waiting for you. You are getting what I mean to say? All these things till you achieve your career, till you become a successful woman or successful lady, all the things which were in your journey, all will be the pieces of gold. But treasure is waiting for you when you become successful, when you will achieve your feat. At that time, whatever you will get, all these things will be the treasure. Okay? So just don't rush behind these gold pieces. Okay? And really, it doesn't matter in life. Because afterward you will regret I had did all these things. I don't have to do, because if in this age you will feel that हाँ मैं mature तो कशाला मला समजवतो मला समजते. But it's not like that. Okay? You are really immature in this age. You become mature when you are at the age of 21 or 25. At that age you become really mature. Okay? So I would say for girls that you are not here to do all this bhandi kundi and all these things and look after your children and look after. Yes, you have to do it, but when you have to do it afterward, when you will become successful, right? All this stuff are only left with us to do. Okay? After when you become successful, you are getting what I mean to say? Yes? No? Yes. So that's what I'm saying, that just avoid all those things. याच्या नावाने त्याच्या नावाने चिडवा चिडवी होते. हो? Yes or no? Better than me, you people are knowing what is in your class. Okay? So just avoid these things. You will feel happy for much more time. You will feel, but it is, all these things are temporary. So just have patience. Okay? Patience is power. Don't forget. Okay? Patience is power. Okay? So don't forget this thing. Have patience till you become the successful one. Yes, 10th standard girls. So see that people. So just have patience, because patience is power. Okay? So wait. Now whatever you have to do is just to study and just to enjoy these days, because we are also literally missing these days. When we were in 10th standard, we used to do much more masti and all these things along with study, with the teachers, same teachers. We were having the same teachers which you are having now. Yes, so we were having the same teachers. We really miss these days. Really, this assembly, what we can say, 15th August, Teachers' Day. Then again, there is a what we can say annual function. We really miss all those days. So enjoy these days and study. Do fun learning. Okay? Just this only thing you have to do till you are in 10th standard. After 10th standard, you will be many more will be getting mobiles. But 50 or more than 50% people have their own mobile, right? But afterward you will be getting mobile. I just suggest you that ignore those things. You don't need really. Yes, if you need, you can use your parents' one. Why you need mobile? Just to search the meaning of new words or search different things, news, latest news. Yeah. Now recently, how many have you seen the launching of Chandrayaan 3? Oh God. Have you seen launching of Chandrayaan 3? Right? Yes, nice. It has successfully landed now on moon. South Pole. Oh, South Pole. Nice. Okay, yes. Okay. So clear that? Yes? Aditya L1, yes. Now which recently India has performed which mission of successful launching of Aditya L1? Right, right. Yes, nice. So this news you are getting with the help of mobile only, na? Yes. So use mobile for this purpose, okay? Rather than scrolling reels and all this. Yes, boys.
Say properly.
काही महत्त्वाचं डिस्कशन चालू आहे का? असेल तर आम्हाला पण सांगा. आम्ही त्याच्यासाठी बसलो इथे. Okay, so recently Aditya L1 mission. Yes, it is a solar mission, right? Yes. Now it will go at the Lagrange's point 1. Yes, there it will study sun. Okay. Yes. Lagrange's point. Yes. Okay. So these are recently these successful missions have been launched by our ISRO, right? These all things you are getting with the help of social media. You are going so use social media for these things, okay? And next is what else you have to listen from me? What should I tell now? काय सांग बोला तुम्हाला काय ऐकायचं अजून? Yes, nice study students. Yes, now tell me what else you have to listen.
Any query?
Any query, anything you want to ask, software engineer, civil engineer. Who else are there? Navy, Army, soldiers. 10वीच्या मुलांना आता तुमच्याकडे येऊया. अरे कशाला तोंड लपवते माहिती आहेत मला तुम्ही कोण आहे. नावं पण माहिती आहेत. बोला काय अजून तुम्हाला विचारायचं आहे? 10वीचा अभ्यास किती तो अभ्यास सोडून सगळ्यांबद्दल बोलला झालेला ऑलरेडी झालेला आहे. हां तुम्हाला काय शिक्षण स्टुडंट्स काय विचारायचं? How to learn fast. Don't compare yourself with others. You are unique. Okay? So, मोठे झाल्यावर ते पण तुमच्याच सारखे होते. Okay, so how to learn faster, right? Yes, how to score good marks, right? So first of all, what is your learning? When your learning becomes faster, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कधी असं वाटतं की मला आता अभ्यास करायला संध्याकाळी की सकाळी? Evening. Okay. Means you are study happens at evening, right? Yes. Okay. So do freshen up and first of all, where you will sit, keep all these places clean. Okay. Just have your stuff, whatever you want, water, book or something. Learn those things. Revise it and relate it. Okay. Explain to others. This is not for them, only for all. This how many times you explain for others, that time you get clear, this your concept gets clear. Okay. म्हणजे मी एखाद्याला कोणाला सांगते की हा बघ हा आन्सर असंच आहे म्हणजे ते तुम्हाला जास्त समजतं त्यांच्यापेक्षा. बिकॉज ऑब्व्हियसली आपण असंच विचार करतो नाही यार की त्याला काही चुकीचं नाही मी सांगणार मला साधं एकदा वाचून घेऊ. ओके. सो दॅट्स वाय जस्ट एक्सप्लेन ऑदर्स व्हॉट यू वॉन्ट टू लर्न. आय ऑल्सो डज द सेम इन इंजिनिअरिंग नाव. Really, we are having group study and just I explain on this concept is this concept is this. Okay? पण तेवढं माझं रिव्हिजन होतं आणि मग मला तेवढं लक्षात राहतं. समजलं? अशी लर्निंग करायची. हां रट्टा मारणं ठीक आहे आता काय करावंच लागतं. बट असं करायचं. स्कोर गुड मार्क्स इज द राईट पॉईंट टू पॉईंट आन्सर. Means what teacher is expecting from you and what that answer needed. ओके. यू हॅव टू राईट ऑल दोज थिंग्स. म्हणजे काय आता माझं काहीतरी आन्सर आहे हिस्ट्री सिविक्स जॉग्राफी वॉट एव्हर इट मे बी काहीतरी आन्सर आहे काहीतरी की पॉईंट्स असतात ना की हा असं झालं हा असं झालं हा असं झालं. सो जस्ट राईट पॉईंट टू पॉईंट वॉट एव्हर यू वॉन्ट टू राईट. ओके. म्हणजे फाकड पसारा बसायचं नाही. जे त्यांना पाहिजे आणि जे त्यांना हवंय तेवढंच लिहायचं. समजलं? आणि नेहमी आन्सर लिहिताना पॉईंट टू पॉईंट लिहायचा. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. So teachers check करताना टिक 1 5 marks. Okay. असं point to point answer द्यायचा आणि learning is to explain others. This is the best point trick. Just have it and tell me afterwards. Okay. अजून काही विचारायचं आहे 10th standard students?
6, 7, when 8th standard students get a our time is over. But little bit of we can talk with him 9 together.